Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing great today. You're welcome to this quantitative lesson. My name is Adedayo Adegoke. Today in quantitative, we are going to be considering the topic, coding and decoding again. But this time around, we are going to be working sums. In our previous lesson, we talked about representing letters with numbers. Today, we are going to see how we can apply them to do some calculations. You are welcome to this class. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to form other words or code other words, then decode to show the intended meanings, and substitute and work sums. Okay, we'll be working sums. You should be able to work sums. Now, you've been told what coding is. That is, you want to hide the message, and then you use a secret code. Okay, that's what we call decoding. Use a secret form to pass the message. Then the person you are sending the message to will now decode. The person too can send you a coded message, and you too you now decode. You can use anything that you like. You can use any number, but you and the person you are sending the message to must know the code. Another person will not know the code. You can use it as a game, so you can play it as a game. It should be between you and your siblings. You hide it from someone, and then you reveal to another person. Okay. The person who does not know the code will not know the meaning of what you have written. That's what coding and decoding is. We've been taught how to code and decode, and we've been taught the SMART approach. And we are also told that when you have a set of letters and a set of numbers, what you are to do is place them on each other so that it will be easy for you to identify which number is letter or which letter is number, or even which letter is letter. Okay, which letter is represented by a letter. It will help you when you arrange them together like that. We saw in the previous lesson as well the forward order of letters, where A is 1 and Z is 26. And there is a reverse order, which is called the backward order, where A is 26 and it is Z that is 1. Okay, it depends on which one you want, but the common one is to use the forward approach or the forward order, which is A1, B2, C3, as you can see them on the screen, and then Y25, Z26. We also told that it could be letter for letter. A might represent N, B, O, C, P, D, Q, and on like that. Okay, it could also be a word to represent some letters, like you can see organization, operation. So when they give you your own, like this separation, you look for the letters in this one or in this one. So what we want to look at today is using working sums with coded letters. In our previous lesson, you were also taught this one, where you are told that there are J mango trees in a garden. So you come to J. J is representing which number? That's 10. So it means there are 10 mango trees in a garden. That is 10 trees. And each mango tree has 8 mangoes. And H means what? 8. So all the 10 trees have what? 8 mangoes on each of them. Each tree has 8 mangoes. Now you are asked, how many mangoes are there in the garden? Okay, so we just say 10 of them have 8 fruits each. Okay, that will be 10 times 8, which is what? 80. And that is what gives us our answer. Exactly. So that's what we call working sums. Now look at this one. The word matches is coded 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Then you are asked to use it to answer the questions. I've told you the smart thing to do. Write your what? Matches. Write your word. M-A-T-C-H-E-S. Write the word. Then the number 3, 2, 4. You see how I'm writing? On top, I'm writing the numbers under each letter so that there won't be any mix-up. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, you can see this now. Okay, I love this coding and decoding. I love all subjects. That's why I keep telling you, every topic, every subject is interesting. Okay. If you like the stories in English, or you like the way you can arrange your structure, Even quantitative too is interesting. Verbal, just put your mind to it, you will always get them. So the first question, M is what? As simple. Look at M. What's the number under? That's what? You can see him. What's the number under him? That's 3. So M is 3. MA is what? That's 3 and 2. So you write your 32 there. Can you see that? MA plus CH. MA is what? 32 plus, what's CH? This is CH here. 5, 6. 32 plus 5, 6. 32 plus 5, 6. So what do? You calculate 32 plus 5, 6. So what do we have? 2 plus 6, that's 8. And 3 plus 5, that's also 8. So what's your answer here? 88. You see the way I've shown my workings to show that I understand what I'm doing. Then we have H minus M. What's H? H is what? 6. Minus M is what? 3. Can you tell me 6 minus 3? Of course, very simple. That's 3. Okay, then we have MA divided by E. What is MA? That's 32. Divided by what? E is what? 8. So tell me 32 divided, I'm sorry that this number is coming down the line. Okay, so 32 divided by 8 is what? That's 4. Okay, now those are the answers that we have. You can see them. Those are the answers that we have. It's as simple as that. Just arrange, then whatever they ask you, you work it out and put the answer there. You get your score. Okay, we have some more questions here. Okay, see the same matches. MATCHES. We still have the word matches here. And then we have the numbers 3, 2, 4, 5, yes, 6, 8, 9. Okay, we have H minus M here. What was H? That's 6 minus 3. 6 minus, what did we do before? Was it not H minus M? Okay, we have that H minus M before. Okay, that's 3. We also have MA divided by E. That's 32 divided by 8, which is 4. Then we have CH, okay, multiplied by M. This is times. CH multiplied by M. What's CH now? CH is what? 5, 6. That's 56. Multiplied by M is what? That's 3. So what do? We calculate 56 times 3. Tell me 3 times 6 is what? Okay, that's 18. We carry 1. 3 times 5 is what? 15 plus the one we have carried. That's what? 16. So what do we have? We have 168. Is that taken? So we have seen what coding and decoding is. People code a message to hide it, and somebody decodes the message to reveal the meaning. Okay? So attempt this as well and send to my email. That's adedayo.adebuki@greenlandhall.org. If the word telegram is represented by 94643852, okay, so answer this. T plus R plus A is what? Then R divided by M. R divided by M is what? So you answer that and send the answer to my mail. That's adedayo.adebuki@greenlandhall.org. I'll be expecting it. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day and be happy.